And it's all about the sauce. So there you go. A proper thick sauce. Look at that. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick today. Brandy sauce. Very simple to make. You know, we want this for Christmas or New Year. And I've had many requests. It's easy. It's a roux with brandy in. In here I have my milk and my cream. Full list of ingredients in the description as usual. Milk and cream in here, and I'm warming it up. I'm not going to boil it. I want to bring it up to temperature, and then I can add warm milk and cream to my roux. Okay, that's warmed. One side, pan on. Let's make a roux. Now it's the same as making a bechamel or anything like that. We're going to start off with about 50 grams of butter. Somewhere around about there. Put a flame on, not too high. Just get some butter in the bottom of there. Now you can wait for your butter to melt if you so wish, but you know, we don't have to worry for that. In there, a tablespoon of flour, thereabouts. See, everybody panics when they come round to making a roux, you know. Everybody thinks it has to be butter cooked off, flour added. But you know, this is going to cook out the rawness of the flour. Be absolutely perfect. So there we go, we got that in there. And we need to be going in with our warmed milk and cream. I'm going to give that a little gentle stir on there. And you will start to feel it thicken. When it starts to thicken, we're going to chuck in the sugar, the brandy, the nutmeg. So you can feel it starting to thicken with the flour. In with your sugar. Stir that in so it dissolves. That feels lovely. In there, some nutmeg, and then in there with about 4 tablespoons of brandy. So that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, and that's 4. Now, you know, you can use any tipple you want. You could do a rum sauce if you so wish. That's up to you. But there you are, that is our brandy sauce. Now you just cook it nice and slow and low, thicken it to how you want. If you take it too far, put a little bit more milk in, or you could actually add water, it doesn't matter. Now for all those people worried about alcohol in a brandy sauce, use ice cream. A brandy sauce has a brandy in. Okay, now this is as thick as I want to go. If you go any further, this is going to thicken up into a real cloggy sauce. We want a pourable sauce, and it's going to thicken when it cools down. Can be reheated, can be put in the fridge, reheated the next day. There you go. Brandy sauce made. Lovely. All we've got to do now is give it a little taste test. Now what you can do, and I'm going to do it now, look, there's a little bit of salt in there, and that's going to ignite everything. You don't make it too salty, whatever you do. But you don't need to cook the salt in, you just need to put it in at the end. And there you go, that's our brandy sauce. We just need to be giving it a try. So we want a little bit in there, look, like that. I want to take our red hot pudding, and it's all about the sauce. So there you go. A proper thick sauce. Look at that. So there you are, that's our proper thick sauce on there. Let's give it a try. Come on, we're in. Look at that. Oh, give me a bowl full of sauce. Come on, let's try it with a bit of pudding. That's a bit warm. You got it. That is absolutely sensational. Oh, don't you just love these sauces at Christmas? Or any other time, to be honest. So there you are. That is very easy to make a brandy sauce. Very, very easy. It's superb. If you like what we're doing, don't forget, share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is. Put the brandy sauce on the Christmas pud. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.